Dad, I am very grateful to you for the love and care you have given me these 20 years. Got my results, Dad. I couldn't get through.
What is this? Don't you have any sense? How could you even think that I love you? Loser.
I don't think I am of any use in this world. I am sorry, Dad. I am leaving forever.
So, you want to die now?
You can see that, but that's none of your business, I guess.
Yes, I have nothing to do with your death. I just stopped you because I need a small help.
Help! Is this the time to ask for a help?
Actually, my son is coming from London today. He is of your age. I am planning a gift for him. I thought a 20-year-old would understand the likes and mind of another 20-year-old.
But why only me? You can find many youngsters out there.
You look like my son, young man. Please, don't say no, my son. I shall be grateful to you.
Okay, but on one condition. You have to bring me back here in 1 hour.
Okay, let's go. So, why do you want to die?
I already told you that's none of your business. You asked me for help, I will do it. That's it.
Okay, you need not tell me, but please don't mind. I forgot my wallet in the house, and my house is on the way. We shall pick up some money and go.
Okay, make it fast.
You're still here? I thought you were going to the airport.
Look at her anxiety. We still have 2 hours for the flight.
Why shouldn't I be excited? My son's coming home after 2 years. Who's he?
He is Kiran's friend. He is coming to airport with me.
What's your name?
I am Karan.
Sounds much like my son's name. Okay, come in. Come, have a seat.
I'll just have my shower and come.
Yeah, have it.
No, ma.
Have it. You look so weak. Are you worried about something, son? I know. You must be getting bored. It's okay. I'll give you company.
No problem, ma. You go ahead with your work. You are busy now.
No, son. To a mother, her child is always the first priority. After all, whatever we do, it is for you children, right? I guess I'm boring you now. You still not eating? You don't like it? Ayyo, Kiran likes it very much. It's okay. You tell me what's your favorite. I'll try and make it for dinner. I'm serious. I'm preparing all my son's favorite dishes for dinner. You're like my son. You tell me yours too. I'll prepare them.
So, you have become good friends. Shall we start?
Okay, ma. Take care of yourself.
You're coming for dinner, right? I'll make your favorite mushroom curry tonight.
No, you won't come again.
Why? What happened?
You have been hammering him for the last half an hour. Why would he come again?
Nothing like that, ma. I'll surely come.
Okay, bye, son.
Your wife is very affectionate.
Yeah, she is. Why did you stop me? I'm telling her the truth.
What truth?
The truth that you're going to die.
Are you mad? She's so happy about her son's arrival. She's so affectionate. She says that I am like her son. How does she feel if you tell the truth?
And what about your mother? How would she feel when she comes to know about you? What answer do you want me to give to my wife when she asks about you the next time?
I don't know. You ask me for help? And you are getting late for the flight. What happened? Where are you going?
My son died 3 days back.
What?
Yes, Kiran is no more.
Are you serious?
One hardly jokes over such issues.
Actually, nah. He has never been away from me even for more than a day. But this time, it has been 2 years. Anyways, he's finally coming back now.
And your wife?
She doesn't know. He killed himself in London because he failed in some job interview. You wanted to help me, right? So tell me, what answer could you give to a mother who waits for a never-returning son? And tell me, what words could possibly heal a shattered heart? I put this question not just to you, but to every child who wishes to kill himself. I want you to take my son's voice and answer our agony.
Some old saying says, suicide requires the greatest courage. It's true, it requires a courage so great enough to break every heart which loves you.
Remember, son, any father or mother can excuse their children for any mistake they do. But suicide is the biggest mistake that a man can ever do. No parent could ever excuse or bear it. Suicide is never a solution, son.
Luckily, I had someone to stop me from doing that big mistake. But not every time a caring hand saves a broken heart. So, it's up to you to make the right decision. Today I have everything in my life, and most importantly, I am alive.
It's your time. जरा रुके भी कर ले। एक क्रांतिकारी का मुलाकात दूसरे क्रांतिकारी से हो रहा है। आपके आज्ञाकारी बेटा भगत सिंह। भगत सिंह। आपका आज्ञाकारी बेटा भगत सिंह। आपका आज्ञाकारी बेटा भगत सिंह।